it's all the same, this is the clip from my coffin. I don't wanna do no talking. Can't you see the reaper? You go crazy, you go dumb. I'm gonna let my chopper jump.
Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will show you how to tweak Ubuntu 22.04 LTS to look like Ubuntu. In this way it will be more similar to anime kawaii style. First of all, install GNOME Tweaks and GNOME Shell Extension Manager. Then go to this website. I will put link into the video description. Go down until you find moepink.tau.hz. Download this. It will be inside Google Drive. Download. It is downloading our zipped file. Now go into Home, Ctrl+H, create a new folder .teams. Go into Download, double click. It will be open with the default archiver tool. So extract moepink16, this big folder, extract everything to home.teams, extract. Now show the files. Double open. We need to go to GTK4 here in home. Go to .config GTK4. In this way, even GTK4 apps will work well. Here, copy Ctrl+C and paste Ctrl+V. In this way, everything will work fine. Now, go to the dots menu, search for Tweaks, GNOME Tweaks, Appearance, Application Theme, Ubuntu, moepink16. You can also change the cursor, for example this one. Icons. We don't have Ubuntu icons, so let's pick some pink icons. Magenta is good. Sound default. We can see the theme has been successfully applied, and this was how to install Ubuntu on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. See you later, guys.